3 hypotheses about the disappearance of the Titan submarine in the Atlantic Ocean. According to Chris Perry, a former officer of the Royal Navy, the missing submarine may have lost connectivity, but it is not ruled out that an accident occurred when passing through the wreckage of the Titanic. According to Reuters, the lost submarine, named Titan and operated by OceanGate Expeditions, went missing on Sunday, June 18, while carrying passengers to explore the wreckage of the Titanic in the Atlantic Ocean. Currently, rescue efforts involving ships and aircraft from the United States and Canada have been deployed to search for the submarine. However, the situation is complicated because the status of the submarine is still unknown. According to Chris Perry, a former officer of the Royal Navy, there are 3 possible explanations for the disappearance of the submarine. The first hypothesis is that the submarine lost connectivity with the mainland. The first and most optimistic hypothesis is that the submarine is still functioning normally but lost contact with the mainland and its mothership. According to OceanGate, the Titan submarine is designed to carry up to 5 people to a depth of 4,000 meters for exploration, research, and data collection purposes. Therefore, the Titan submarine is relatively lightweight and more efficient in autonomous operation than any other deep-sea submersibles. The submarine is also equipped with multiple safety features, including real-time structural health monitoring (RTM) system, which can detect and provide early warnings for the pilot to return to the surface safely. Therefore, unless there is a significant malfunction, the Titan submarine is likely to have surfaced. The second hypothesis, according to Chris Perry, is that there was a malfunction in the submarine system, preventing it from moving and causing a loss of communication. According to OceanGate, even in the event of a malfunction, the people on board the submarine still have the ability to operate and repair it by replacing some parts on site. In the worst-case scenario, the survival of the people on board depends on the remaining oxygen supply until they are rescued or until they can resolve the issue themselves. Information from the operator indicates that the submarine has emergency oxygen supply for 96 hours and approximately 70 hours as of the morning of June 20, according to the Hanoi time zone. The third hypothesis is that an unforeseen accident occurred when the submarine was exploring the wreckage of the Titanic. If caught in the wreckage, the submarine could have encountered a catastrophic incident, Chris Perry stated. In 2010, explorers found a mysterious bacterium in the thick layers of dust on the wreckage of the Titanic. They named this bacterium Halomonas titanicae and believed that it could clean up the remaining parts of the Titanic or turn it into a highly dangerous area, with details of the ship possibly collapsing at any time. According to the former officer of the Royal Navy, if the submarine encountered an accident near the Titanic, rescue operations would be very difficult due to the uneven seabed and the deep channel where the Titanic itself lies. Additionally, debris in the area can hinder the detection and locating of the submarine using sonar waves. John Mauger, a U.S. Rear Admiral overseeing the search and rescue operation, also acknowledged that the sea area where the Titanic had an accident is a remote region, making the search and rescue efforts extremely challenging.